Hi and welcome to Rainey Dewey's Art Spot. If you are new here, this YouTube channel focuses on art and all kinds of creative living. Today I'm taking a little break from the art because I didn't want to pressure the video that I'm preparing for the next time. The one thing I have learned is you can't push the creative process, and if you do, you aren't necessarily satisfied with it. So today I'm taking you on my walk that I take with my dog Tucker. I live in a little village in upstate New York. There's really not much to it. There's a post office, a fire hall, and the school, and so it's mostly residential homes. And I started taking Tucker down near the village recently. I usually take him on a back trail. It's not really a trail, it's a dirt road that goes to the sewage treatment plant. So, and it runs along the tracks. It's a pretty nice place to walk, believe it or not. But I've started to walk into the village and it's a whole new experience. The Normanskill Creek runs through the village, and so I'm looking forward to watching and observing this creek in all the various seasons. I moved here into the village in 2018, and believe it or not, I tend to be a loner, so I only recently began walking in the village. All things are pointing to spring, but we ended up getting a couple of feet of snow, oh gosh, a week and a half ago, and so we're still digging out and hoping spring will show its beautiful signs of wonder very soon. Here are some images from the past springtimes here in the village. And here's a picture of me and my siblings at Easter. My mom made me that beautiful dress. What a labor of love that was. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.